Right, we're in the basement of a convenience store in Toronto. We got sewage backup from the floor drain. Let's snake it out and see what we find. There it goes. Get another cable ready. Disconnect. Wash your face. You got water in there?
Yeah, there's water.
All right, so the blockage was about 25 feet away. Pull it out, see if we got anything. Okay, come on. Our cable is running this way here, out towards the back of the plaza. Alright, let's see if we got it. Water. You don't need to connect them, we're going to coil them in, alright? That's the slow, watch your face, keep your hands going. We definitely got some wipes. Okay. Keep your hands down low, yeah. So you guys gotta give a cleanup, alright? What is on this here? Alright, so the main cleanout stacks there. So I'm going to recommend that this line be video inspected. In the corner here, there is some cleanouts that we'd be able to video from. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out until next time. That's Logan and Taragna.